Cooking with care. Unraveling the essence of a heartfelt phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a warm and nurturing phrase, cooked with care. This expression is more than just about food. It's about the emotions and intentions behind the cooking. So, let's explore what makes this phrase so special and heartwarming. Cooked with care is a phrase that combines two simple words to create a powerful expression. Cooked refers to the preparation of food by heating, while care implies attention, consideration, and kindness. When we say something is cooked with care, we're talking about food prepared with extra thought and affection. It's not just about the taste, but the feelings involved in the cooking process. This phrase often transcends the culinary world, touching on cultural and emotional aspects. Cooking with care can be a way of showing love, respect, or gratitude. In many cultures, the way food is prepared and presented is a reflection of the cook's feelings towards the people they are feeding. It's about creating a bond and a memorable experience, not just a meal. You might hear cooked with care in various contexts. For instance, a restaurant might advertise its dishes as cooked with care, implying they put extra effort into their food preparation. Or, a child might say their favorite meal is the one their grandparent cooks with care, highlighting the emotional connection they feel through that dish. When learning such phrases, it's important to understand the context and the connotations they carry. Try to use cooked with care in sentences related to food and emotions. Practice with phrases like, "My mother always cooked with care on special occasions," or, "You can tell this meal was cooked with care." Cooked with care is a beautiful phrase that captures the essence of cooking as an act of love and kindness. It's a reminder that food is not just about sustenance, but also about the heart and soul put into preparing it. We hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!